The next item is also to do with long sections, but we're going to be looking at the road components and it's schematically represented on a long section region. Let's go and have a look at how this will work. I'm going to close the Sheetfile editor for now. And I'm going to change over to a road that has components in it. Here you can see if I go to the roads mode and I go to section graphical edit, you can see there's a number of road components, sidewalks, guardrails and gabions. What we can first do is open up the sheet file in the editor just to have a look at it. I'm going to load up the sheet file. Here you can see with the road components have been written in text on the left hand side, and the lines will be plotted on the right hand side whenever there is that item to be found in the road or along the road. Here you can see this one is the gabions. There's two lines here and we're going to cover that because there's two different gabions that are being used. The same would be for the V-drains. You can get different size V-drains and you'd probably want to have different lines to represent that. I'll close this off and we can go and plot. We'll then go to plot to generate. I'll use that new sheet file. Here you can see we've got the first lines here to deal with the types of road components that we're using. We're not going to be plotting lines along the top, but we are labeling. So we must, I know normally you'd want to plot lines, but in this case we are labeling lines, as we are going to be extracting lines for the road components, and then the type of road components that you'll be using, and the road that you're going to, the layer that is stored in. Here you can see it will either plot lines or leave gaps depending on whether there's a component for that item at that stake value or not. And here you can see if we zoom in where the guardrails, gabions and V-drains are found, it will plot the schematic line.